Today I'm going to share my favorite salad, that is my mom's recipe. Something I grew up eating. This is the salad that made me fall in love with raw food. The only salad that I knew till I was graduate, and I just loved the flavors. We will need 1.5 cup cabbage, 1 small radish, 1 small carrot, 1 mid-sized tomato, 1 small cucumber, half capsicum, 3/4 cup coconut, 1 lemon, salt to taste, and black pepper powder. If you noticed, I have shredded all the vegetables except for cucumber, capsicum and tomato. One important tip is to never shred any vegetable that is soft and watery in nature for salads. After my marriage, I tried to recreate this recipe. I thought it's quite simple. I shredded all veggies when I tried for the first time. The taste was not even close to my mom's handmade salad. So it's very important how you cut your vegetables. Now we will mix all the ingredients together. Please leave a comment below what you think about this tip. Have you noticed such subtle differences these little things make in your dish? This is a very flexible recipe in a way that you can use any vegetable you have or you like. It would be best if you use something you don't often eat. Another key tip is to always have the ratio of cabbage and coconut more than other veggies. If you do that, you can use any other vegetable you like and it would still taste great. Since it's a classic salad, no fancy dressing is required. After adding salt, don't leave the salad for too long. The veggies may leave water and the salad will become soggy. It's best to add salt 5 to 10 minutes before you plan to eat. Needless to say, the salad is loaded with nutrition and a great way to bring various other vegetables into your diet easily. The salad has crunchiness of fresh cabbage and natural sweetness of all the vegetables. Coconut is the king. It just makes this mix more flavorful and delicious. Please do give it a try and let me know how you liked it. Also share if you have your favorite mom's recipe. I will meet you in the next recipe. Till then, eat fresh, stay healthy.